Stage-2 air intake system on this 2022 Kia K5 1.6 turbo. Our first step is going to be to remove the factory scoop. We're going to simply pull up off the grommets and then pull it off the airbox. All right, so next we're going to need to remove these two hoses. We're going to use some channel locks to release our spring clamps so we can remove the hoses. I'm going to go ahead and pull back now. Just like that. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and remove the map sensor. We're gonna go ahead and push up on this gray tab. And then we're gonna go ahead and push the tab, removing the sensor. Now we're gonna go ahead and use our pry tool to unclip the harness off the bracket. Just like that. Now we're gonna remove the two screws holding down the factory airbox. There's going to be one on this side right here closer to the fender and one more tucked in kind of by the map sensor. We're going to use a 10mm socket with an extension. We're going to go ahead and loosen them. Look like that. Now we're going to go ahead and loosen the clamp that's connecting the intake tube to our turbo inlet. We're going to use a 10mm socket to go ahead and loosen that clamp. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull our intake tube off our turbo inlet. Simply pull back, and we're gonna go ahead and lift the airbox out of the vehicle. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and transfer our bump stop over to our housing, as well as one of our rubber grommets to our housing. So we're gonna go ahead and transfer that now. Bump stop's gonna go right here. Then we're gonna slide the metal sleeve, remove the grommet. We're gonna go ahead and transfer it over. And we're gonna slide our sleeve back in. And it's gonna look just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and install our aluminum peg mount. We're gonna go ahead and screw it in. We're gonna grab a 3/4 inch wrench. We're gonna go ahead and snug it. We don't need to kill it, over tighten it, and that's it. Now we're gonna go ahead and install our housing. We're gonna line up the aluminum peg to our rubber grommet down here on the chassis. I'm gonna go ahead and firmly push down till it snaps in place. Then we're gonna install one of the screws removed from our factory housing over to our chassis right here. Now we're gonna go ahead and tighten up our bolt. Now we're gonna go ahead and install our air filter media. We're gonna go ahead and firmly push it in until all the tabs lock into the housing. So now we're gonna go ahead and install our map sensor cartridge. We wanna make sure the airflow is pointing towards the engine. This side of the sensor, we're gonna go ahead and remove the O-ring. We're gonna go ahead and slide it into our filter. Now we're gonna go ahead and pre-install our clamps onto our coupler. We want the smaller inner diameter of the coupler to go onto our map sensor cartridge. We're gonna go ahead and install that, just like that. Now that we have that installed, what we wanna do is we wanna rotate our map sensor at a 45-degree angle. Now we're gonna go ahead and install our tube. We're gonna slide it into our coupler by our turbo inlet, and then slide it into our coupler where our map sensor is. Now we're gonna go ahead and tighten up all our clamps. We're gonna go ahead and use our 8mm nut driver and tighten up our turbo inlet clamp here, connecting our tube, and tighten up the rest of the clamps. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and reconnect our hoses. This goes on this side. Now we're gonna go ahead and reconnect our map sensor. Push down on it and then lock in the gray tab and you're good to go. Now we're gonna go ahead and install our optional plug onto our housing. Now we're gonna take our factory scoop. We're gonna add this silicone adapter. Then we're gonna go ahead and install the scoop into our housing. And then we're gonna go ahead and reconnect it with the grommets. We're gonna go ahead and firmly push down until everything locks in place, just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and install our seal trim. Our installation's not complete. Let's get some sound clips for you guys. There you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.